The continuation of the discrete probability distribution, it is class 2. We are going to discuss about the binomial distribution. The binomial distribution means a distribution having the two values, one is success and a failure. The success probability is denoted by the small p, the failure probability is denoted by the small q. Here binomial distribution can be defined as a random variable capital X has a binomial distribution if it assumes only non-negative values and its probability density function is given by P of X equal to small r, that is P of r equal to NCR P power r q power n minus r, where r values are from 0 to n. In this, q is nothing but 1 minus p, and in other cases the value is 0, and it is also denoted by P of capital X equal to small x equal to P of X, that is equal to binomial distribution B of X variable such that n number of trials, P is the success probability, that is equal to NCX P power X q power n minus x, where x equal to 0, 1, 2, so on n, 0 in negative values. For positive values only we can define the binomial distribution, and by means it is depends on the failure and success. Okay, here the binomial distributions where we are using, that is the main thing. Where we are using means tossing a coin, we are getting either head or tail. In that case we are using the binomial distribution. And the birth of a baby, either a girl or boy, the auditing a bill that contains an error or not. Okay, an advertisement on TV recalled by viewer or not. In that cases only two possibilities are there, either head or tail, either boy or girl, or errors occurs or not. These all are depends on the failure or success, means getting of what we are having the condition, that is success. Non getting, non occurrence is nothing but failure. Okay, in this case we are taking the trials, n independent trials, small n independent trials, and each and every trial having the two possible outcomes, either tail or head or success or failure or anything, and the probability of two outcomes remains constant. The outcomes are constant. The probability of outcomes are constant means if we are taking head or tail means already we discussed in the before class 1 by 2, 1 by 2, that is a constant. In such cases we are using this binomial distribution. The binomial distribution can be described with the help of the function, and it is derived from the success and failure. Suppose we are taking n trials, in n independent trials, in that two possibilities are there, one is success and another one is failure. The success probability is small p, the failure probability is small q, and in any experiment we are taking the sum of the all probabilities are equal to 1. So that is nothing but p plus q is equal to 1. From this only failure is equal to 1 minus success. From that relation only we are define the binomial distribution. Suppose we are taking small r trials, or in the n independent trials small r success. The success times are smaller, the remaining all failure times, so that is n minus r are failure. In such case we are defined the binomial distribution P of X equal to small r equal to P of r equal to NCR P power r q power n minus r. Why? Because this n minus r is related with the failure, r is related with the success. So number of independent trials are n, and it is also denoted by if it is binomial distribution or another distribution. For that indication, b small b of x is a random variable in that n number of independent trials, in that the success rate or the success probability is p. So the binomial distribution can be defined in this condition, that is ncx p power x q power n minus x from 0 to n. Why we are taking the positive values means we are starts with the 0, 1, 2, 3 in such case only. Next definition, this is the above definition is also said to be the discrete distribution. It is the binomial distribution function. Function is denoted by the capital F of random variable capital X, in that the small is the number of, that is small x. In the binomial distribution, function is defined by capital F of x is equal to probability of x random variable is less than or equal to small x, that is nothing but small x means 0, 1, 2, 3, that case. It is equal to small sigma r equal to 0 to n ncr p power r q power n minus r, or here it is denoted by the up to x means suppose we are taking the probability x random variable having the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, suppose 10 are there. In that we want the probability function up to 3 only. So in such a case we are taking nc1 p power 1 q power 10 minus 1 9 plus nc2 p power 2 q power 10 minus 2 8 plus nc3. Here n is nothing but how many trials we are taking, that if n trials means 10 trials means we are getting 10 c1, like that. Okay, these are the, this is nothing but binomial distribution function. Function means we can take up to the x value, whatever we want we can take up to the x value from the initial to up to that x value. The difference of the discrete and the difference of the distribution function means we are adding up to that value, that is the function, only we are taking the particular value, that is the probability of discrete binomial discrete distribution function. Here where we are using this binomial distributions, examples are the number of defects, the number of defective balls in a box containing n balls. In n balls, how many defectives are there, how many non-defective balls are there. In the box containing only two types, one is defective, another one is non-defective, good ones. So two values only, one is failure, one is success. Defective means we can take the probability of defective balls, probability of non-defective balls. So one value is P, another value is Q. In the second example, the number of machines lying idle in factory having n machines. If in a factory suppose 100 machines are there, in that the working machines are 90, another 10 machines are idle, those are not working. In such case we are only two are there, working, non-working. In such case we are using binomial distribution. And the number of postgraduates in a group of n men. In the n number of men are n, in that how many postgraduates are there, how many non-postgraduates are there. We are taking the condition of the probability is only postgraduates. PG holders. PG holders, how many members from the n men. The remaining all non-PG holders, that is nothing but PG holders is small p probability, non-PG holders probability is small q. So in this only two cases are there. So two values are there. The another one is the number of oil wells yielding natural gas in a group of n wells test drilled. In n wells the oil comes from in the particular wells only, how many are there, non-oil wells and oil wells. Only two outcomes, possible outcomes. Those are the examples related to the binomial distribution functions or binomial distributions. What are the conditions of the binomial distribution? When we can discuss what are the conditions, how to define. That is the conditions of binomial distribution. The conditions of binomial distributions means first we can take Trials are repeated under identical conditions for a fixed number of times, that is small n independent trials. Independent trials with the same conditions, with identical conditions. That is the first condition of the binomial distribution. Second one is there are only two possible outcomes. There are only two possible outcomes. Those are failure or success. Two possible outcomes. Example, success or failure for each trial. Third one is success or failure. Third one is the probability of success in a trial remains constant and does not change from trial to trial. Here we are taking the probability of success is equal to, that is small p, that is small p is nothing but p of capital P. Probability of x is equal to 1, that is the success probability, and probability of x is equal to 0 is the q, that is failure probability. But each and every trial the success rate and probability failure rate is same, that is p equal to, suppose toss a coin, in that head and tail, if we can conduct up to 10 trials, in each and every trial the probability of head is 1 by 2 only, probability of tail is 1 by 2 only. In such cases only we are applying the binomial distribution. And the fourth one is the trials are independent, that is the probability of an event in any trial is not affected by the results of any other trial. That is nothing but if we can take the first trial, we are getting either head. If we get the head and we conduct the second trial, but this head is not affected to the second trial. Why? Because the coin has two faces. How many times we tossed a coin, but head and tail are never affects. So in such cases we apply the binomial distribution. Suppose for example, if we play taking the deck of cards, in that we pick out the red heart king card and replace without replace. If without replace means, that is nothing but without replace is that affects the next trial. In such cases we are not applying the binomial distribution, but in the throwing a die and toss a coin or birth of baby, that is the either boy or girl, that not affect to the another trial. Okay, these are the best examples and the main conditions of the binomial distributions.